Sign up for Veed. Inside Veed. Go to Dashboard. Go to Templates. Click Wedding. And find a template. Let's keep it simple and choose one with just text. So here we have our timeline. And our texts here. So let's say we want a little faster here. So I'm going to change the name. Change these names. And change the date. So let's say we're happy with this. So we end it there. We select our 720p. High quality. 25 frames per second in Europe, 30 in America and export. So let's see how this looks. So that's awesome. Completely free. You can do 30 minutes of this. And you can also change template and customize any of these. Thanks for watching.